Molweni sanibonani, dumelang ma South Africans amahle. Molweni, ngoku ke ndiza nescandal bethuna, iscandal ke bethunana. I hope ke noba ni disappointed ke kwezi upload zam kuba ndingasakwazi ufaka ilantuza i-full episode because of le copyright strike yenzekayo apha ku-YouTube. So I'm trying by all means uba ndinganivaleli ngaphandle, ndinipostele ezo zinto ndikwazi ukuni-uploadela zona. Iskandal ke Monday 19 January. So ndiyanicela ke noba ni-disappointed but niqhubeke nilike, nifollowisha, nilike, nisubscribe, nisenza konke nje, ni-engage sincokoleni, ninixelele ke izinto enizifunayo. Iskandal Monday 19 January 2026. Victor's final message to his daughter carries a devastating truth and a heartbreaking goodbye she'll never forget. Madlomo is tormented by palpable dread that lingers in her home. Success is on the horizon as followers increase. Tuesday, 20 January, the wolves are outside Victor's door. Mthunzi and Madlomo disagree on how to make sense of Zero's killing. Fame threatens to grow heads. Wednesday, 21 January, a plan to point wrongdoing in another direction might not be as foolproof as Talita expected. Thanda amaqhinga uTalita. Hayi ngusisi we-scandal, ngusisi we-drama, ngusisi we-secrets, ngusisi wento yonke uTalita. Mthunzi agrees to a course of action he did not want to take to appease the one he loves. The start of a new endeavor hits a snag straight off the bat. Thursday, 22nd January, a spy is taken aback by surprising and confusing discovery. Surely ke esi spy ngulo detective wethu sisimthandayo, umfazi kaNhlax. Madlomo and Mthunzi came face to face with Zero's family. Noisy neighbors are the next hurdle a couple has to face. So let's spy inoba nguvuvu ke bo mfazi kaNhlax. So let's keep watching Benani Scandal. Friday, 23rd January, Victor does well to cover his tracks but not well enough to full taps. Yava taps Mthunzi becomes the source of tension during the Big Four's meeting. Poet and Toriso's podcast whose continue and tough choices have to be made. Sinjalo ke iskandal this week. Senchuba siza nedrama yaso. Cha iwari ke lento yoba siphela ke bethunana, but keep subscribing man. I will try to improve ndiphinde ndiza nezi upload ezi full episodes guys. I love you. Keep supporting.